Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Block's phone stand only way. Gather 4 uniform blocks, sand edges, mark positions, and dry fit pieces. Apply wood glue to the contact faces, assemble into an L-shaped support, and clamp securely with light pressure. Let the glue cure for several hours, then sand seams smooth, finish with oil or paint, and add non-slip pads so the stand holds phones safely and neatly. Enjoy making this simple project at home. Start with 4 matching blocks, roughly 5 inches tall and 1 inch thick for the most stable result. Use furniture-grade wood glue, 120 and 220 grit sandpaper, and small clamps to hold parts while curing. Pre-cut craft blocks save time, but cutting yourself lets you customize angle and width. Finish choices like oil or satin paint protect the surface and improve grip. Test with multiple phone sizes before final sealing to ensure the perfect fit. If you are enjoying this build, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple projects. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying up after projects effortless and funny to watch in action. It pairs well with a tidy workspace and saves time for more builds. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by sanding mating faces and wiping away dust for a clean bond. Apply an even bead of glue, press blocks into the L shape, and clamp square. Avoid over-tightening to prevent squeeze-out. After curing, sand joints flush, round edges slightly for comfort, and apply your chosen finish. Add non-slip pads or felt where the phone rests to prevent scratches. Test with screens and cases, then adjust angle by small shims if needed for ideal viewing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.